Yeah, let me say a prayer ngithanda zelikas. Let me say a prayer ngithanda zelikas. Let me say a prayer ngithanda zelikas. Shy 16 kuvuke nabaphansi. Let me say a prayer ngithanda zelikas. Let me say a prayer ngithanda zelikas. Yebo nyaphuma amakhosi labafana bawiki inkosi. What's the live, what's the life? What's the live, what's the life? Back again with another video. Back again with another reaction. We're about to check out Kasi Rap Cypher. Yeah, it's out of control. Hey, I want to get Zarala. If you're new to this channel, please like, share, subscribe, do the most. And ngakhohlwa bafethu ukuthola ikipa zenu ze Kasi Tales. Ama-number uku-order kuma description. Like, share, subscribe. Don't skip the ads. Ngiyacela because you was fakela amatsibitsibi. But without any waste of time, asibangele.
This shit bounce, man.
Ow,
Hey,
listen,
hey,
look.
What the fuck?
As I move into this beat, I feel rappers, they're already dynamite. I'm a man kind of dynamite. I came back to bring it through the night. I slaughter rappers into pieces. I'm moving with my scientifical rap. I'm breaking these rappers into pieces, bro. This is my Jesus piece, like I'm the game. I regain back the strength every time I try to slaughter this rappers. They stumbling up, they stepping back. I'm coming back with the gun in my hand. I'm having the sand to come slaughter each and every single MC. I am the one who's not drinking some, sipping some Hennessy. I've been a renegade in this game. I rule this whole fucking game. I'ma fucking regain back my power, transform like Super Saiyan. I came back like I'm Goku. I'm Vegeta. I transform, I slaughter yo.
But you rappers, they still beefing with no fork in it. Life is a bitch, so I'm about to put my cork in it. Claiming me flaming, my repagating it, tossing nicks. Rap is in my blood, all you niggas, you still adopting it. He's not a rapper, he's an opposite. Female dog monopolist, I changed the game like apocalypse. Cheap niggas like economics. More than a rapper, I'm a novelist. Dark skin, but boy, I'm still doper than this colonist. Utu blind, vele give me scheme of while I won in nicks. Even in this beat, I didn't put my fucking all in it. Julilan Peggy, and unlock on it. Dope, Maraman figure my side from rap economics. There he goes, thinking that is really close. Ogung putela pants, can't think about it, he didn't know. Really saw him ding it easy. I'm the type of the rapper who knows how to kill a beat. Nigga, no me lip beating, will share my VTV.
What's your name, bro?
Share my VTV. Yes!
Yeah, yo, did you see what just happened right now?
Awunla nomchita lokugcina ne. I-rap, he makes it look easy, like ngathi lula, bro. And that's how it's supposed to be. You know? Like Meluyenze, don't try harder.
This guy just yes. Echo, please introduce yourself, bro.
Oh, my name is China, guys. I'm from 1632, guys. You know. I keep it real.
1632, Kaslara Mickey M. Tembisa, I think. Yeah, no reptile.
With the 85, you know, we out here in tears. Yeah, man. We keep it real, you know. Fuck the fake motherfuckers.
32 represent.
Yeah, 85.
Lead it.
Yo, I'm just king of this rap-ish. Niggas be punch or diapers, they rap-ish. The rap-ish that they establish, it makes a nigga wanna forcefully go bully with this rap-ish. Now I rap these cause of madness. It's like I'm jealous of these rappers, these stupid actors. They take us for workers. I fuck them all in the 3G spot. They say time is money, boy. I gotta check my TikTok.
You say you fucking king of this shit. That's why you got your fucking ring on your fucking finger, because you fucking with me. You ain't like the best, but you just like the rest. I'm cast with the skill. I fucking came back with this high lethal chemicals, putting inside of my drug villainously, traveling intravenously in my fucking blood, systematical change. I fucking slaughter. I cause more instinctive and extinctive of this motherfuckers. More like sucking polar bear, making your fucking temperature drop like I'm from the ice age. I tear through this fucking page. I'm in a cage. I transform like Nicolas Cage to a ghost rider. I came back to slaughter. You ain't no fucking competition. I beat the fuck out of you with my eyes closed. You ain't even fucking close. You better with me. You son of a bitch. You think you can slaughter me? This is a fucking slaughterhouse. You China man. China man.
I don't play boy. CHINA boy. Fuck the game me better than the play boy. Skinny film really you a work boy. Skinny niggas and no fat boy. How this why making people make noise. Sorry game place play boys. Yell a bunch your feminine gay boys. Chatty cat in touch, I'm matching the bitch. I'm tighter than a rubber. I want a ticket, trying to get this level. Sazo Chim is missing. I'm up as I am a quarantine. Catch up on so much I'm sabating. Now she's so good in the paraffin. To the bitches, but I can't see. I'm watching pitch at the zip in Emalati Pakilan and Pilacon. Yago Pilan and Pilacon, who press to push pan and ban in Pilacon to the Dazi Kazi Lapong Yakon. And a Kazina Tilacon about the smile of China, Yin King Kwan and news about the rapper when you think he must have been Naza Pilapong.
Yes! Fuck that! Yes! What the fuck? This is what we're talking about.
China. I'm underground, marungang busy in mine. I play with big boys, after Quintwana. I'm clean and you take out Pega Soluno in Tuana. Check my baguettes number was Wally. Utunabantwana ma window da Uzali. You went $2 million stuff of Snippy Coke. Utune black when you grab that mic, that's a you will choke. But you could to China, ngale beating ya bangena. Mshayes mangaza yimiti teko gikavela. Susale man statue ebuguzenzu kapel and like Nama picture working a sekasa ya stapel. But you a monster. But to me you a non-star. Mazanga beef lang is of supply and a pasta. Mikele zisi versi marungang busy ngo pasta. Inda butandu rana ngati talking saga Casper.
Listen, you China guy, you came here with your fucking fake.
Bro, where's this guy, bro? Ukuphi China, bafethu, ukuphi China. I think this cipher was 6 years ago, guys. Ile nto engitshela yona, guys, ukuthi abomrapper basekhasi they are being slept on.
Flows. I feel like I'm a man who flows with hot shit, like a magma flow. I came here to degrade from the sky like I'm a fucking extraterrestrial species. I fall from the higher grounds. I am underground, still touching the ground. Feel the tectonic plates moving to the coastal side. I'm here to roast your fucking ass rapper. I am magnetically connected to the fucking flow as I move like I'm a magma flow, losing to the slower shit rapping, writing some scripted shit, thinking that he's a freestyler. He ain't got no fucking style. I free shit like a free man, walking in a prison. 27 years like I'm Nelson Mandela, I'm walking free. Coming back with this kind of flows. I do this shit underground. I'm moving with this colonized rap that is from the United States, America. I came back to be breaking through this fucking projects. I'm still underground. I'm hardcore. The lyrical beast. I'm coming back. I'm magic.
I won't lie. Maybe this guy is spitting bars, but I can't hear shit. Or maybe China got me more invested in him or in. But then, yeah. He's also dope, like Bomastogi T vibe.
Spitting some surgical shit, cutting through your fucking rib cages, reaching for your artery veins, making sure you're feeling the chemical flows moving lethally in your fucking veins. I am still insane, you still sound so fucking sane. You have never been educated, but I'm magnificated. I'm coming back with the fabricated rapper architected, the greatest flow of all time. You sound just like all of them. You've never been with the best rapper. I'm a lyrical beast that excoriates your suspensory ligaments. I'm coming with scientific shit because I've been to school. I school rappers like you've never been to school. I am a bull, you son of a bitch. I cut off your fucking scrotum. Make sure that your bones are going to fall on the accentuated floors. I came back with this kind of flows that are greatest. I'm not from the streets, I'm from the books.
Split the game, I open it like a vagina. Out here, so Zubu Yelana, no Ngatung Funa and freestyle. On top of my head, in Chaka, what trip axis style. Sure, but in yo, beg and Sazo Kogotela. When Zagano went sweet, and Sazo Kogotela. Clever, so Talamina, Nizok Mogolela. How could I help you while you the one, Bounyo Bella? Uchela Panteka to China Zomela. Unzela Prega, Unchelang a cheddar, Unzelang a beef, and I was no we pega. You say that you better, you nothing up better. Or I'm being a bit like a boy riding a bike with no peddler.
Yes!
If
Nah, guys. Ngangitshela ukuthi ngicabangani. I think China won this one. Fair enough. But also, do you guys think China got more reaction for me crowd because me rapper ngevenek. So it's easier for people to catch ama-bars wakhe. Because as I was saying, maybe the other guy was spitting bars, but I didn't understand any words. Yabo? So let me know. Please like, share, subscribe, do the most. I go by the name The Real Mats. Cassie Tales merch out right now. T-shirt 180, cap, keeper. Until next time.